everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Pari. If you're new here, let me tell you guys, I make videos on skincare, fashion, travel and makeup, and today I'm back with one more haul video, and today we have Nykaa haul. So if you guys know, it is again that time of the year when Nykaa goes on a big sale. It is called Pink Friday sale, and I did shop a lot. I ordered all of my things last Friday, and I received few of them yesterday and few of them today. So I'm super excited to unbox these in front of you guys and share my opinion. Alright you guys, so these are the things I have today which we're gonna unbox together. These 3 boxes are from Nykaa. This one is a perfume which I ordered from Sephora, and these are Innisfree products. I did not order from Nykaa, but still I want to review it and open them with you guys. So let's get started.
Alright, so let's start opening it. I am terrible at opening boxes.
Right, we're gonna do it. And so the first thing we have here is this is a cleansing device, if you guys can see it. So if you all know, there is this cleanser which is called Foreo Luna Play, Foreo Luna Go. So I was using Foreo Luna Play before this, and it is very pricey, okay, and only lasted 100 uses and it was non-rechargeable. So that's the reason I did not buy it again, and I found this on Nykaa. It is called Bronson Facial Cleansing Device, and I read like really good reviews of this, like Foreo but much lesser price. So this was priced at $11.99. I got it for $5.99, and I think it's a great deal. So I'm gonna open it and show you guys how it looks exactly. Okay, so this is how it looks. It has silicone bristles all over. Okay, it is quite good. The quality isn't that bad, and okay, this is that charging point. So best part about this, it is chargeable. I mean, for $5.99 you're getting a cleansing device which is also chargeable, is a great thing, trust me. Charging cord, and it also has a manual here. I'm gonna read this for you all. It says it is suitable for all skin types. It is soft silicone brush, ultra hygienic, charge once every 5 months. Every 5 months? Wet your face, apply your cleanser, and then use this in small circular motions for 1 minute, and then you can normally wash your face, and you can use this every day. I mean, every day in the evening, in the night before going to bed. Trust me, I have heard so many people rave about this, and I completely agree. I mean, it is, you need to try this to believe it. It's a great device, guys. It cleanses your skin really well. You don't have any makeup leftovers. You don't have any kind of bumps or anything on your face. You will notice the difference after using it for 5 days. So this I am really excited about, and I'm gonna post more reviews about this on my Instagram maybe once I start using it. Alright, so there is one more box. Even you guys open like this, no? This is normal, isn't it? Okay. I got myself this lipstick from Calabar. I've been using this for quite some time. This is called Sinful Matte. So guys, if you know, I am completely a red lipstick person, but this is the only nude which I like. It was suggested to me by one of my model friend, and this is priced at $1,200. I got it for $800, and I saved $400 straight. And this is called Sinful Matte Lip Color and it looks like this. Lovely packaging. So it is not like proper nude. It has a little pink undertone, but I think it's a beautiful color. I'm gonna swatch it for. So this is how it looks. It's more on the pinkier side, but this is nude for me, okay? Right, the second thing I have is my shampoo. So this is Dove Intense Repair. I've been using this shampoo called Bedhead Chocolate Goddess. So I was using that because my hair was freshly colored and all of that last year in October, November. And now it's all faded, it's gone, and I don't think that I need to use a color shampoo anymore. So that's the reason I bought Dove. Dove, my mom, she's been using for really long. My grandmother, even she uses it, and Dove is really nice. It's very mild. It's great overall. Okay, so the next thing I have is I received a Color Bar nail polish remover, which I never ordered, and it says it's free, not for sale. So I think with the lipstick you also get the nail polish, and it's like a huge bottle. It is 110 ml, which is I'm really happy for this. Okay, so it is priced at 125. You get it for free if you order this lipstick. Alright, now we have our third Nykaa box.
And I will behave myself and open this a little responsibly and nicely. Why did it pack it like this? I mean, who's gonna...
My nails. Alright. So if you have seen my makeup videos, you'll definitely know that I love this foundation and how this is Fit Me foundation. It is in color 128 warm nude, and guys, trust me, I have tried MAC, I have tried Chanel, I have tried Bobbi Brown, but nothing beats this. I mean, this is my holy grail. It is very, very, very thin on your skin. I mean, you don't feel as if you're wearing a foundation. I mean, right now I'm wearing it. I mean, it shows your imperfections. I mean, if you have little marks on your face, a little freckles on your face, it will show. But that's the beauty of this foundation, you know. It is like your second skin. I absolutely love it. This is priced at $549, which is dirt cheap. I got this for $400 or $420. So yes. For this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, this was voted the best mascara. So I'm gonna try this for the first time. I generally don't use waterproof mascara, but this was the option which was available, and it kind of looked attractive to me. So I'm just gonna try it out. So I've been using Better Than Sex by Too Faced for last 2 years, but then I thought of giving this a try. So the bottle looks really nice. It is like pink and black color bottle. It's by Maybelline. It's called Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara, and it claims to give you nice dramatic lashes as if you're wearing falsies. So we're gonna check. And this is very cheap, by the way. It is for $335. I got it for $250. So I ordered myself a nude nail polish from Lakme. It's called 925. It's primer gloss nail color. The color is called Dusty Pink. It's priced at $180. I got it for $135. And yes, my good old lip balm by Nivea. This is Watermelon Shine. I love this because air is getting drier. We are in December right now, though Bombay isn't that cold, but I have extremely dry skin, and my skin becomes really, really dry, especially my lips. If I don't moisturize my lips for one day, second day I'm bleeding for sure. I have tried a lot of lip balms from Forest Essentials, Body Shop, but I think nothing beats this. It's really good. Okay, this is a makeup remover. Okay, this is a very small bottle. This is really small. This is Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. It's good for sensitive skin. It removes makeup, cleanses, plus soothes. No rinse off is required. You can use it for your face, eyes, and lips. It's priced at $175. I got it for $145 or something. I saved like $30 on this, and it says it is 125 ml, and you can get 60 uses out of this. I think this is really good because even though my skin is dry, I am prone to getting pimples. So that's the reason I try not to use anything which is oil based. So I'm definitely gonna review this for you guys very soon. And imagine this is 3rd December and I'm melting here. Okay, coming to Innisfree now. I got myself Innisfree pomegranate revitalizing foam cleanser. Right now I'm using a cleanser which is a tea tree cleanser from Body Shop. It is really nice. If you use it first thing in the morning, it completely wakes you up because it's very cooling. It has this mint effect, and because I like my face wash to be really foamy, you know. Ideally it's not the good thing, but that's how I like my face wash. Anyway, so I bought this one, and I have never tried this before. It is going to be my first time. It looks like this. The quantity is quite good. This brand is made in Korea, and Korean products, skincare products, are supposed to be really good. Innisfree pomegranate revitalizing foam cleanser. It reads, it's formulated with freshly squeezed pomegranate and pomegranate seed oil. Nurtures your skin to have a nice healthy pomegranate glow. So I'm really excited to use this and see how it looks nice. So, and even the quantity is not bad. The next thing I got from Innisfree is this Jeju Orchid Intense Cream, and I have used it before. I have used this before, and I can vouch. It is an amazing cream, especially for people with dry skin. This is a holy grail, you guys. So I think you must have seen it. I mean, I think it is available on Nykaa as well. I'm not really sure about the discount, but yes, it is available. When you apply this in the night and when you wake up in the morning, your skin is baby soft, and it is gel-like. It has this gel-like formula. Oh, I'm sorry. So clumsy. Smells really refreshing and nice. It is cream/gel formula. It is not too oily, not too creamy. It is just perfect for my skin, and I absolutely love this. I'll just quickly read it for you guys. So this is 50 ml. It is priced at 2,000, I guess. Yeah, it is 2,200, and this was for 900. So together it was around 3,000. I got 30% discount. This was I bought this from their store, not through Nykaa, but even on Nykaa you can buy it on their website. So yeah, this cream, it says it is multitasking daily intense cream with hyaluronic acid and argan oil. Helps strengthen, firm, smooth, nourish, and brighten the look of your skin. This is it. I completely love this one. The complimentary products I received, these are green tea seed serum. These are enriched cream, which is milder version of the intense cream I bought. Now the last thing we have is my perfume. I was waiting for this, and that's the reason I saved it for last. We got this from Sephora. So guys, I had gone to Parkos the other day, and I happened to try this perfume, and I fell in love with it. I mean, I kept thinking about it one whole day, and I decided I need to buy it no matter what. So this is my perfume. It is called I hope you guys can see. It is by Nina Ricci. It's called Luxstars. I hope I'm pronouncing it fine. Guys, this is such a great perfume. It is priced at 6,400. I got it for 5,100, and it is 80 ml bottle. Look at this baby. The bottle looks really nice. Look at the bottle, you guys. It's so beautiful. This is like it has ombre effect to it. It is darker at the bottom and becomes very light and transparent, and it has this gold cap, okay, with the black ribbon around, and it has this name plate here in gold. I'm quickly gonna spray this on me and see how I like it. Of course I love it, but still. Okay, this is really very nice. So I am a person who likes fall and winter perfumes. I'm not a summer perfume. I don't like floral mild perfumes and all of that. I'm more of sweet dark kind of perfume lover, and I think this one is beautiful. It is very nice. Alright you guys, I'm really bad at describing my perfume, but I'm gonna read the notes for you guys. So it is mainly sweet, fruity, rose, amber, caramel, vanilla, white floral, musky, powdery, and warm spicy. Beautiful sweet perfume. It is very sensual, it is very sexy. I am not really sure if you can wear it during summers or even during daytime, because it is too heavy. It has this vanilla, caramel, basically a pure sweet perfume. So if you like sweet perfume, you're gonna definitely like this. Really wait to wear this. The bottle is so beautiful. And it's December, so I think I bought it at the right time. I'm totally gonna use this a lot. So that's it for you guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And I'm gonna see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care.